learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Tangyuan, balls of sticky rice, are a traditional delicacy eaten during the Lantern Festival. The unique flavor of Hakka-style tangyuan is created by adding mushroom, shrimp, and a type of chrysanthemum to the soup stock. For the Hakka people, after the Lantern Festival comes tomb sweeping, referred to as hanging paper, because of the custom of leaving rectangular pieces of paper on newly swept tombstones.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Josephine. Now, this is the month of February, which is the month of Chinese New Year, or the Lunar New Year calendar New Year, right? But on the 15th day of the lunar calendar, there's also a special holiday known as Lantern Festival.
沒錯，長夜班。
長夜班。
對，我剛剛講就是其中一種，還有另外一種叫做年宵節，就是比較新的講法。
就是元宵節這樣子。年宵節 Okay, that's 元宵節 Lantern Festival, or literally you can just say 正月班, which means the 15th day of the first lunar calendar. And during Lantern Festival, you would always eat something called the sticky rice ball, 也就是汤圆 or 元宵。
对，
对不对？
元宵后，客家人大部分比较喜欢吃咸的，
我
们都会用那个猪肉啦，还有那个香菇啦，
香菇，
对，
猪肉香菇，
还有什么哈密呀、虾仁，
哈密，
虾米，就把它炒过、爆炒过之后，很香很香。
That's right. Traditionally, the sticky rice balls are sweet, but in the Hakka culture, they love to cook it in a salty soup base that contains mushrooms, meat like pork, and also shrimp and some veggies. And it's different, it's very tasty, and it's also called the tangyuan. But I believe in Hakka, there's a different way of saying it. 其实客家话里面不讲汤圆，还会讲一个叫板圆，是不是？
对，我们叫半眼。
半眼，
或者是讲说蟹眼呢？
蟹眼呢 ？Okay, again, two ways of describing the sticky rice balls. 好像元宵节过后，客家人都会开始一个习俗，对不对？
叫瓜字。
瓜字，
对，就是从元宵节一直到那个强мя，就清明节这段时间呢，都是客家人去扫墓瓜字的时间。
Okay, so what's very special in the Hakka culture is that after the Lantern Festival, they actually start the process of tomb sweeping, which is the next big holiday, if you will. Let's review these terms. 元宵节 or the Lantern Festival.
年宵节
or 正月班.
长夜班
and you have to eat the 板圆.
半眼
that's the sticky rice balls. And then there is the 清明节 or tomb sweeping day.
强мя
and there you go. It's all about Hakka right here on FM 100.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.